Everyone, in this video we will learn how to project a point when it is located in the fourth quadrant. So here the question is given: a point P4 lies 30 mm below HP and 40 mm in front of VP. Draw its projections. So when the point is below HP, it can be either in the third quadrant or fourth quadrant, but he also mentioned that the point is 40 mm in front of VP, so it must be in the fourth quadrant. Okay, when you are looking from this direction, this is the front view, and when you are looking from above, this is top view. Okay, so when you are looking from the front, you will be able to notice only this 30 mm height which is mentioned below HP, but this 40 mm depth cannot be perceived. Okay, this cannot be understood when you are seeing from here. Okay, so the front view, here is the point. When you are looking from the front, this point is below xy. Okay, so I will draw a point here. I will draw projection line whose length is 30 mm, and this is the point. This is how you see when it is when you are looking from the front. Okay, so coming to the top view, when you are looking from here, from the top, that means your lines of sight are perpendicular to HP. So here you can notice only 40 mm length, but this 30 mm depth cannot be seen. Okay, and it appears to be lying on the HP. So it appears to be lying on HP. So similarly, front view also, this appears to be lying on the VP. Okay, so this is the one which we have noticed from the front. A point appears to be lying below XY, and from the top it appears to be lying somewhere here on HP, and this length can be seen, 30 cannot be seen. Okay, now we have to rotate the horizontal plane by 90 degrees. So what will happen after rotation? This 30 mm line is already below the XY line and perpendicular to it. Now this is also rotating. So after rotation, both these lines will be aligned. Okay, just below this, I will extend below this line by 10 mm, so that the total distance here will be 40. So this point is the front view, so I am naming it as P4 dash, and this is P4, this is the top view. So we will work out this on the graph sheet. So here both front view and top view are below XY line. So the same thing I will do it on a drawing chart. Again I will maintain a gap of some 40 mm from the previous answer. I will draw it here. The projection line has to be drawn with 2H pencil. So instead of 2H pencil, I am using pen. Only with pen you will be able to see it clearly. So I am using a pen. I will lock my drafter here. Okay. So the projection line is below XY. So I will draw a vertical line. Where is the front view? It is 30 mm below XY line, and another is 40 mm below XY line. So I am taking 40 mm length here, 40 mm length. Up to here it is 30, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 3 units and this is 4 units away. I will draw the object with the help of HB pencil. So this is what? This is the front view. So I am naming it as P4 dash. I am writing it with lowercase letters. P4 is the top view. Now we will dimension it. Dimensioning also has to be done with HB pencil. arrowheads in 1:3 ratio. So never mention this particular gap, that is 10 mm, because 10 mm has no significance with the question. That 10 mm is not mentioned anywhere, 40 is mentioned, so I have to draw 40 only. Okay, don't mention this 10. Thank you.